Rain is coming again. Time check 6 p.m. and today's April 28 and today is Sunday. Anytime rain will come again. Rain stop, rain stop. Ayan, coming na. Rain is coming now. Ayan na. Ayan na ang ulan. Kulog kidlat. Ayan, dami ng hailstorm. Ayan. Grabe ang ulan. Ayan, grabe. Time check 6:05 p.m. Ayan. Dito ako sa loob nagbi-video. Ayan. Kaya pala ang lamig-lamig. Kaya ito umulan na naman ng hailstorm o kaya snow. Yan. Ayan, dito na yung mga hailstorm sa Branda. Ayan. Kaya pala ang lamig-lamig. Ayan, April 28 pero umuulan pa rin ng snow dito kaya hailstorm. Ayan, grabe. Ayan, tubig na. Grabe. Stop rain already. Ayan, ito yung mga hailstorm o kaya snow. Ayan, time check 7:10 p.m. Nag-start yung hailstorm o kaya yung snow mga bandang 6:10 p.m. Ayan. You see, it's very, very big stone. You see, 15 minutes ago, it was falling this stone over there. Now time check is 8:45 p.m. I was making namaz for Isha. Then I listen too much sound. Then Fatma, she come outside, then and my husband. So this is the very big stone. It's coming over there, Dar. That stone coming there. Oh, you see what happened? It's night now, so we cannot see nice. That stone is going from there. That stone is going from there. So it's very near. You see also there is stone. Huh? Kaya coming. Really?
Yeah, do not go there down. Maybe how you can see there up in the night.
Yeah,
maybe welcome.
You see this very, 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 very big stone. You see, it's Alhamdulillah we are safe and our house is safe. And you see it's very near here in our veranda or to this one. You see? Oh, ayan oh. Grabe ang laki, and this stone is going from there over there in road. But you cannot see now because it's night. It's already night. And when I'm making namaz for Isha, I listen very too much sound. So Fatma, when he come outside, so this happened, this stone. And you see this, it's already cracked here because that this stone is going from there. So it's good, it's not coming here. This very big stone not coming here in black. Oh, really. And also over there also, there is also one stone there. That stone is this one. You cannot see here. This one. Over there up. And tomorrow I will make video because it's already night time now. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, we are safe. Alhamdulillah. You see, ang laki ng stone, oh, grabe. You see, it's a foggy day. Just now it stopped rain. Today is April 29 and today is Monday and time check 7:10 a.m. As you can see the sky, you see the weather is very bad. And you know what happened last night? You see this very big stone. It's land falling down coming from up over there in road. You cannot see the road there because it's, you see the fog. Ayan, yung galing doon sa taas. Yan, nakikita nyo yung bahay na yan. That this very big huge stone is coming from up. This happened last night around 8:45 p.m. When I'm making namaz for Isha. Then I listen sound, very big sound. So ito din Fatma, she come outside. So this is the stone. Ayan no, ang laki. And my husband, he's inside the room watching TV. He don't know also what happened. But Fatma and Langa is there in kitchen. So Fatma, she listen the sound. So she come outside. So when I'm making namaz, I did not finish my namaz because when Fatma she come outside, she tell that there is very big stone fall down. So ayan, alhamdulillah, our house is safe. And if something happen, if this stone come from this veranda or in anywhere, so I don't know what happened for us also inside the house. So alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, we are safe. And you see, I don't know this stone coming from here over there and ito. And these blocks also are safe, but some broken. But alhamdulillah, you see this stone coming from there. And alhamdulillah also our chicken. Ay Allah, ayan oh. Oh, Dar. This one, it's almost fall down, no, Dar, this blocks. Ayan, oh, grabe. Alhamdulillah, meron pa doon, oh, yung stone din galing doon sa taas. I don't know from where this stone, Dar, coming from here? From there and to here. Yeah. From that road over there up. And then that stone fall down here, you see. Oh. Huh? Huh? Oh, this is very danger, really. And you see this. Oh, Allah. Ayan. Oh, Allah. Ito yung sampayan namin. Grabe. Ayan, oh, ito yung branda namin. Oh. Wallah is very near. Alhamdulillah, we are safe. Today morning, I have video around 7:05 or 7:10 a.m. Too much foggy at the time. But now, no more. But as you can see, the sky is still black. And anytime, rain will come again. And this rain until tomorrow, I think. And today, forecast is 95%. So, rain, 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 rain until tomorrow. You see, it's very near to our veranda here. How many? Just only steps. Alhamdulillah, we are safe. You can see this stone, very big stone, Yodes stone. You see, this was fall down last night around 8:45 p.m. At the time, I was making namaz for Isha. Then I listened to much sound. Fatma Langga inside the kitchen, and my husband also there in main room watching TV. And when I was making namaz for Isha, I listen also to much sound. You see this one. Then Fatma, she come outside, then she shout. So my namaz for Isha is broke, so I come outside. And you see this stone coming from there, up, from that road over there. You see, as you can see here, ayan. And some blocks damaged here. And Alhamdulillah, our chicken is cage is safe. So this stone, big stone coming from there, from that road over there up, and there is also one stone here. Yan. And this one, my husband, he planned this one. You see, safe. You see how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 or 7. 7 steps. And it's very, very near to attach here in veranda if this huge stone coming here. Really, 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 alhamdulillah, we are safe, because if this huge stone coming from up or here, we are all inside. So last night I was making namaz here, so very near when I'm making namaz here. That's why I listen very too much sound last night here. These huge stones, when was falling down last night, it was divided by 3, and this is one piece, and that one piece over there, and that the stone is coming from the road over there up. So this one, that's a big stone coming from there and to here, and some blocks damaged here. But alhamdulillah, this our house is safe, because it's very near here in our veranda or any place here. If this huge stone coming here or from up, then I don't know what happened to us, because we are all inside the house last night. Ayan, lucky. So very, very big stone. Ayan.